Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best knockout punches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the VEVOR 15-ton hydraulic knockout punch kit. Unleash your DIY skills with the VEVOR hydraulic punch kit. This comprehensive kit includes a hydraulic punch, 10 punches and dies, a step drill bit, a sturdy carrying case, and more. The hydraulic mechanism pump delivers 15T strong pressure, ensuring high punching accuracy and speed. Made from durable 40Ha steel and 45I steel, this punch kit is built to last. It features laser-engraved alignment marks for precise positioning and comes with a compact and lightweight design for easy storage and transportation. With slug-splitting dies, quick pressure release, and an anti-skid handle, punching is made easy and comfortable. Suitable for a wide range of materials, this punch kit is a must-have for professionals in various industries. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Klein Tools 53732 Sen Punch Set. The Klein Punch Set is a versatile kit that includes 6 different size knockout punches and dies, 2 draw studs, and a 1-inch ratcheting wrench. It has a cutting capacity of 10-gauge mild steel, as well as aluminum, fiberglass, and plastic. The punches can split slugs for easy removal, and they punch holes cleanly and accurately. With this set, you can work with conduit sizes ranging from 1 2-inch to 2 inches. The ratcheting wrench makes the process of punching holes much easier. This kit is perfect for electricians, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts who need to make clean and precise holes in various materials. At number 3, we have the TEMCo TH00374 Hydraulic Knockout Punch Electrical Conduit Hole Cutter Set. KO Toolkit, 5-year warranty. TEMCo Hydraulic Kits. Knockout Punch is a complete kit that includes a true 13 US ton hydraulic knockout punch with 10 dies. All dies are laser engraved for easy and precise positioning. The kit comes in a rugged storage case with a 5-year warranty. The punch is compatible with Greenlee and other domestic punch tooling with 3/4/16 and 3/8/23 sizes. This punch includes 10 dies for conduit fitting sizes from 1/2 to 4/0. It features slug-splitting design dies for easy slug removal that leaves a round hole with clean edges and a uniform size. Additionally, the punch has deep draw dies that require less force to make the cut, reducing operator and tool fatigue. The punching thickness capacity for this punch is 1/1/8 inch 11-gauge steel, 1/16-inch stainless steel. Punches: steel, stainless steel, brass, copper, aluminum, soft alloys only, fiberglass, and plastic. At number 2, we have the iGeelee Ratchet Knockout Hole Punch Driver Kits. The iGeelee Knockout Punch Driver is a versatile and user-friendly tool for all your punching needs. With its smooth operation and clean hole edges, you can easily create round and lovely holes with uniform sizes. The long handle and ergonomic structure make it easy to use and maximize human capital savings. This manual punching machine is perfect for a variety of applications, including drilling, mild steel, aluminum, fiberglass, and plastic. Whether you're working in the industry or doing personal DIY projects, this tool is a must-have. The kit includes 6 punches of different sizes, a wrench, drill bits, pull rods, and a connector, all neatly packed in a red plastic case. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lichamp Heavy Duty Knockout Punch Kit. The Lichamp Knockout Punch Kit is designed for working with various materials, including mild steel and other metals. It effectively handles materials up to 10 gauge, making it ideal for tasks involving sheet steel, copper, and aluminum. The kit is built from high carbon steel, ensuring durability and reliability during use. With a complete set of punches and dies, you can easily create precise holes without hassle. Its user-friendly drive bolt design allows you to apply pressure smoothly with just a few turns of a wrench, making your projects more efficient. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.